Let's take a closer look at one of the most popular types of steel, 8620 steel. This alloy steel is known for its toughness, wear resistance, and machinability. So what exactly is 8620 steel and what makes it so special? Let's find out. 8620 steel, also known as 8620 alloy or 8620 carbon steel, is a low-carbon nickel-chromium-molybdenum alloy that is commonly used in various industrial applications. It is known for its excellent toughness, hardenability, and case depth. In fact, 8620 steel is often used in gears, crankshafts, and other high-stress applications that require a strong and durable material. One of the key features of 8620 steel is its high hardenability, which means that it can be hardened by heat treatment to improve its strength and wear resistance. In addition, 8620 steel is also easy to machine and weld, making it a popular choice for many manufacturers. At Forte Precision Metals, we offer precision ground 8620 steel round bars, which have been centerless ground to tight tolerances for a smooth and consistent finish. Our 8620 steel bars are perfect for use in a wide range of industrial applications, including automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery. If you're looking for a reliable and high-quality source of 8620 steel, be sure to check out Forte Precision Metals. Our precision ground 8620 steel round bars are available in a variety of sizes and can be customized to meet your specific needs. Visit our website today for more information and to place your order.